At the heart of every successful garden lies well-prepared soil. A tiller is your key to achieving this, as it helps loosen compacted soil and helps create an aerated environment for your plants to thrive. Today, we'll go over a few routine maintenance tips that you could perform to keep your tiller in working condition. So stick around. Before we begin, safety comes first. Make sure the tiller is turned off and wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves. But as you can see, I forgot that I own a pair. Don't be like me. Wear your gloves. My first step is changing the engine oil. Your tiller should have a drain plug to remove the old oil. However, here I'm actually draining it through the filler cap, because the location of the drain plug on this model is a messy endeavor. If you can do this while the engine is warm, the oil should drain more easily. Once most of the oil is removed, I then remove the drain plug for a complete drain. I'm sure you can see why I don't like the location of this plug. If there is an efficient method to use it, please let me know in the comment section. I'm just using an old t-shirt to clean the spilled oil. Once the old oil is removed, I then fill up using the recommended engine oil. Next, I'm cleaning the air filter. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow, so you'll need to clean or replace the air filter according to the manufacturer's recommendations. This machine frequents areas with lots of dust and dirt. This is pretty dirty this time. While I'm here, it's a good opportunity to clean the area of any dirt and debris using an old brush and cloth. If you own a vacuum or an air compressor, now will be a good time to use it. And it is at this point that I remember to wear my gloves. I'm trying to remove as much dirt as possible from all the crevices. For the foam element, I'm squeezing all the old oil and rinsing with some clean oil. So now it's time to reassemble and top up the oil to the fill line. Don't forget to check the spark plug. Remove and inspect it and clean or replace when necessary. How often you perform these tasks depends on your manufacturer's service schedule. By following these simple steps, you can keep your tiller running smoothly. Tell me in the comment section the steps you take to help maintain your tiller and keep it running smoothly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.